For this assignment, we're going to talk about how to create a doodle poll. So as you can see on my screen, you're going to fill in these blanks. And then you go down and you add the time. And we'll say it's for today at 1 o'clock. And then once we're done with that, we are going to go down here and create, invite, and continue. My screen is a little different than the demonstration video that was attached in Moodle, but it looks like it's assigned, and then we'll just share the invite. And then we can copy the link and go to your email and email it to your guest. And so then I guess once you do that, they will accept or decline. And that's it. Thanks.